Welcome to the Lime Valley Tractor Show. Figure I'd get a few videos here, some engines running. This is the second year for it. Pretty nice little backyard show, not real big. Last year it rained one of the days, so there wasn't many people here. Oops, we got another little toy coming through. Move out of his way. Little homemade steam engine. See if we can get a few more videos, or excuse me, a few more tractors. Magnetas, Panzers. Stuff for sale. Couple economies down here, much like the ones my dad and me own. And the single wheel one here is a homemade tractor. Apparently, I think he said he took two economies and sort of thought or figured he'd see what he could make. Here's a cable steer economy. I think it's number 800 and something, 895. little giants. They're funky little things. New Holland. Here's a few of our tractors again that we brought. Both of our 47 chain steer economies. Number 306 and 258. We got our Shawl Dual. I believe that's a 46 or 48, I forget right offhand. This here is my little Garden Master Junior. I believe it's a 55 or a 56. I'd have to check again. And our Garden Master model GW, and this one here is a 52. They were produced from 46 to 52, if I remember correctly. And this is the last year for this one.
Did you have one at the gas station back here?
I got a very nice surface grinder in the shop. Do you? Yeah, I remember. Oh. Okay. Fair enough. Well, you just stand backwards and you're left. You're not one of those left-handed machinists, are you? Okay. On the surface grinder. What about hitting with a grinder and I thought, I don't need that.
Yep, I have 20 Farmall. All kinds of Briggs and Stratton. All the Briggs and Stratton models he has sitting here. Almost look like army generators of some sort. Gorgeous area. I try to get another video here of a few more of the hit and miss motors here then. So hey, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you a little later.